So next I basically want to fill in all the water I can. It's going to be the light color or the foam, and that means underneath the foam I need to darken it just a little bit so I remember where my foam actually is. Go ahead and do that. The reason it's darker underneath the foam is just due to the shadow. And then the other answer I should give is the reason I want to fill in as much of the water as I can is just because the water is located on the canvas is on top of some rock color, and you always want to avoid accidental mixing of something with a lot of yellow in it and a lot of blue in it, because you end up with green. So if I put the blue color on first, at least the rocks I can more easily pull up over and avoid mixing. So let me go over here to this shadowy color. Just run on. Yeah, your throwing dishes in your kingdom will be hard for you. But if you're like me and throwing dishes, so left hand, I'll have you, I suppose. But making off a little more. It's not acceptable, which is a shame. Now let's paint too. Interesting, because we can't have a natural talent to it. What it mostly seems to be is to make something happen. So if you're a talented athlete, we're all born with much of the same capabilities. Which is why if the painting doesn't work out, I'll go here, leave some white. Okay. And with these rocks, I suppose so. I'll switch brushes. And so then, I don't mind being a little bit. I would say, so the square brush has a great edge on it, and that is what I like about it. I'm going to start off with my dark color and just darken some of these areas right next to the pools. And so what I'm doing is creating a sense of light and shadow, with the light being over here and the shadow being on the left-hand side. Seems to be something that I get a lot. And probably the reason is because of the way the sun sets just where I am. Much of my reference, the light just happens to be on that side. Some of these white areas we just want to cover up to make our job easier. Okay. So now for this. so I didn't clean the brush because it'll give me more texture, different colors and all that. That way the darkest parts of these rocks are lighter than the darkest part of those rocks, because they're further away. All that light bounces through the moisture in the air, and it's going to be lighter. It's just the way we experience the world. And when you're a landscape painter, you're just trying to reenact how you experienced some portion of the world. Hold the cans down here real quick.